Hey guys, my name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. Today we're going to be putting this new cabin filter inside Miss Dorothy, our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S with a third row. I can't get three fingers up. Third row. This is going to take us like 2 minutes. Show you guys how to do it. Let's roll that intro. First up is to open the passenger door. This is where we'll be doing our work. And then this is the cabin filter we have, an STP CAF 15026P. To do this, all we got to do is open the glove box. And then with two hands, this is easier. But you just pull the glove box on each side, lower it gently. And boom, there it is right there. We need to just pull that cover out just like that. That reveals our beautiful Mopar air filter, cabin filter. That has never been changed. Woo-wee, that's a dirty. Then we'll get our new one. Put it in the same way. Alright, so the one thing on here you want to make sure you're doing right is checking the airflow. Make sure you got it going the right direction. Then we're going to squeeze this thing inside of there. It was kind of a pickle to get out, so I'm sure it's going to be to get it in. There we go, I got that corner in. Slide it over. Aha! Boom. There we go. Now you can see it nice and new. We'll grab our little cover again. And it's got a piece that's going to click in over on that side. Bam! Just like that. There we go. Now we're done. We can take our glove box. And it's just going to click on right back down there. I didn't get it. Right down there. There's that side. And there's this side. Boom. Job done. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that thumbs up. If it helped you out, don't forget to click the red subscribe button. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great night. God bless y'all.